Hello friends, in this video we will discuss Rajasthan Mo Biochemistry questions, and I have covered all the PYQs from 2013 to 2022. Let's start with the first question of biochemistry. So first question is transport of glucose through GLUT5 occurs in. So if we talk about different type of GLUTs and SGLT, so in brain GLUT1 is present, in liver GLUT2 is present. If we talk about small intestine, then SGLT1 is present for glucose, and GLUT5 is present for fructose. And in kidney, again GLUT1 and 2 is present, and also SGLT2 is present. So here answer will be small intestine. GLUT5 is present in small intestine for fructose and these are present on the luminal side. Now if we talk about the adluminal side, then on adluminal side GLUT2 is present, which is both for fructose and glucose. So answer here will be option number C, small intestine. Next question is, following metabolic disorder is not included in glycogen storage disorders. So Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease is the lipid storage disorder. Lipid storage disorder or sphingolipidosis. Von Gurk, McArdle's and Pompe disease, these all are the glycogen storage disease. If we talk about other glycogen storage disease, then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First is Von Gurk, second is Pompe, third is Corey, then Anderson, then McArdle's, then Torres, and one is Hirsch's disease. So these are all glycogen storage diseases, and among the options, Tay-Sachs disease is lipid storage disease. So answer here will be Tay-Sachs, option number 1. Which of the following enzyme is deficient in Gaucher's disease? So if we talk about Gaucher's disease, then the enzyme which is deficient is beta-glucocerebrosidase. So option number D will be the correct answer. And a special feature of Gaucher disease is crumpled tissue paper appearance. And no mental retardation is seen in the case of Gaucher disease. No mental retardation. No mental retardation and no cherry red spot. Now next question is, which amino acid is used for synthesis of heme? So this is a direct question. For synthesis of heme, the amino acid which is required is glycine. Next question is, which of the following can cross placental barrier? So among the following immunoglobulins, only IgG, option number 4, IgG can cross the placental barrier because it is mediated by FcRn receptors which are present on syncytial trophoblast. So only IgG can cross placental barrier. Subacute combined degeneration, SACD. SACD of the cord is seen due to deficiency of. So this is a direct question. Answer here will be vitamin B12. Also it will lead to pernicious anemia. If we talk about the features of subacute combined degeneration SACD, then features are clumsiness, mental changes, confusion, dementia, and psychosis. So answer here will be vitamin B12. Which of the following disease listed below is lysosomal storage disease? So among the following options, Zellweger syndrome and inclusion body. These are protein targeting disorder. Pompe's disease. Pompe's disease is lysosomal storage disease and glycogen storage disease both. So LSD and GSD. And Leber's neuropathy is type of mitochondrial disease. And so answer here will be Pompe's disease. In Pompe disease, the enzyme deficiency is acid maltase. Next question. In carcinoid syndrome, the argentefin tissue of the abdominal cavity overproduce. So in carcinoid syndrome, basically, normally tryptophan is converted into 20% of niacin and 80% serotonin. Now in carcinoid syndrome, this 20% niacin is not found and only 100% of serotonin is formed. 100% serotonin formed, due to which niacin deficiency occur. So pellagra like feature will be there. Pellagra like feature present. So answer here will be option number A, serotonin. In carcinoid syndrome, serotonin is overproduced. Vitamin K is involved in post-translational modification of blood clotting factors by acting as coenzyme. So we know that vitamin K is responsible for the carboxylation of factor number 2, 7, 9, 10. So there is carboxylation. So answer will be option number A, carboxylase. Vitamin K help in the carboxylation of factor number 2, 7 and 9, 10. Next question is the physiological uncoupler of oxidative phosphorylation. So among the following option, all are uncouplers, but thermogenin is a physiological uncoupler. So answer will be option number C, thermogenin, which is a physiological uncoupler. 2,4-dinitrophenol, dinitrocresol and valinomycin. These also are uncouplers. Acute intermittent porphyria is caused due to deficiency of. So answer here will be uroporphyrinogen 1 synthase. So acute intermittent porphyria is mainly due to the deficiency of HMB synthase, and the old name of HMB synthase is uroporphyrinogen 1 synthase. So answer here will be option number A. Burning food syndrome is due to deficiency of which vitamin? So this is a direct question. Burning food syndrome occurs due to deficiency of vitamin B5, which is a pantothenic acid. So answer here will be option number B. If we talk about riboflavin, then deficiency of riboflavin will lead to chiliosis, angular stomatitis, and biotin deficiency can lead to alopecia, and niacin deficiency can lead to pellagra. Next question is, von Gogh disease is characterized by the deficiency of enzyme. So in von Guk is a type 1 glycogen storage disease, and it occurs due to the deficiency of glucose 6 phosphatase. So option number B will be the correct answer, glucose 6 phosphatase. If we talk about glycogen synthase, option number D, then it will lead to the glycogen storage disease type 0. And glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase, this is the rate limiting enzyme of HMP pathway, and deficiency of this can lead to the increase in the peroxidation in the cell. So deficiency of glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase lead to increase in the peroxidation. Answer here will be option number B, glucose 6 phosphatase. Albinism is produced due to deficiency of. So if we talk about albinism, then it is a condition in which melanin is not produced. So conversion of tyrosine to melanin, which is caused by the tyrosinase, is not proper. So answer here will be tyrosinase. Tyrosine converts to melanin, and this melanin is responsible for the pigmentation. And in albinism, melanin is absent, so tyrosine is not converting into melanin, and the enzyme required here is tyrosinase. If we talk about phenyl, option number A, phenylalanine hydroxylase, then deficiency of this will lead to phenylketonuria. So answer here will be option number C, tyrosinase. Vitamin K is involved in the post-translational modification of. So vitamin K is involved in the post-translational modification of glutamate. Answer will be option number A. Krebs cycle does not occur in. So if we talk about Krebs cycle, then it occurs in mitochondria, and among the following option, RBC do not have mitochondria. So Krebs cycle do not occurs in RBC. Vitamin also acting as hormone. So vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B1 and C. So vitamin D act as a hormone also. It help in the absorption of calcium and phosphate. If we talk about vitamin A, then vitamin A, retinoic acid, can also act as a hormone, but only retinoic acid form of vitamin A can act as a hormone. So among the following option, best answer will be vitamin D. All are true regarding lipids except. So carbohydrate may be linked to lipids to form glycoconjugates known as glycolipids. This is true. Lipids are hydrophilic compounds commonly containing fatty acid esterified to glycerol. No, this is not true because they are not hydrophilic, they are hydrophobic compounds. So this option is incorrect. Fatty acids are long chain alkanoic acids. This is true. Triglycerides are storage form of lipids in adipose tissue. This is again a true statement. So answer will be option number B. The lipids are not hydrophilic, they are hydrophobic compounds. Regarding amino acid, all statements are true except amino acids are building block of lipids. So this is incorrect statement because these are not building blocks of lipids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. So this will be the incorrect option. So answer here will be this only, option number A. Rest all the statements are correct. All are true about structure of DNA except. So options are DNA is composed of nucleotides containing the sugar deoxyribose. This is true. A chain of DNA are polymerized through the phosphodiester linkage from 3-hydroxyl of one ribose to 5-hydroxyl of next ribose. This is again true. Phosphodiester linkage are present. DNA is anti-parallel dimer of nucleic acid strands. This is again a true option. Each base pair is held together by the nitrogen bonding between purine and pyrimidine. No, this is not true. The nitrogen bonds are not present. Instead, hydrogen bonds are present. Hydrogen bonds are present, and also beta and glycosidic bonds present, but nitrogen bonds are not present. So hydrogen band and beta and glycosidic bonds are present. Regarding ribozymes, all statements are true except catalytic RNA are known as ribozyme. This is true. Recombinant ribozymes are being considered as possible therapeutic agent for disease such as muscular dystrophy, Alzheimer, Huntington's, and Parkinson's. This is again a true option. Ribozyme is a catalyst that cleaves its substrate at a specific site and then releases it and itself being consumed in the reaction. So this is not true. Ribozyme do not get consumed in the reaction. It just acts as a catalyst. The substrate specificity of ribozyme is determined by the nucleotide base pairing between the complementary sequence contained within the enzyme and the RNA substrate that it cleaves. So this is again a correct option. So answer here will be option number C, which is the wrong option. All are true for plasma albumin except. So albumin accounts for approximately 80% of protein in human plasma. This is not true. It accounts for 50 to 60%, not 80%. It has no known enzymatic and hormonal activity. This is true. It is also critical for maintaining the colloidal osmotic pressure of the plasma. This is again a true option. And its half-life is about 20 days. This is also true. So among the following options, option number A is incorrect. Albumin do not account for 80% of the proteins in the human plasma. Which vitamin participate in beta oxidation proper as well as the synthesis of fatty acids? So in these both the process, coenzyme A is required, and coenzyme A is the component of pantothenic acid, vitamin B5. So answer will be pantothenic acid because it is helpful in making the coenzyme A, which is required in both beta oxidation proper as well as synthesis of fatty acids. If one strand of piece of DNA contains 20 adenine, 25 guanine, 30 cytosine, and 22 thymine, how many base pair? How many of each base is found in the complete double stranded molecule? So we know that A plus T should be equals to A plus T, and G plus C should be equals to G plus C. So after calculating this, answer will be option number B, that A should be 42 and G should be 55, C should be 55 and T should be 42. All the following diseases are related to collagen except. So if we talk about Marfan disease, then it occurs due to absence of fibrillin 1 gene, either mutation or absence. Alport's disease, it occurs due to collagen 4. Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, it occurs due to problem in collagen 3. And osteogenesis imperfecta, it occurs due to collagen 1. So among the following option, Marfan syndrome is the correct answer. So this is all about biochemistry questions, previous year questions. If you have any doubt, you can comment below, and you can also see other subject wise videos I have already uploaded. Thank you so much.